The 2025 Honda NT1100A is a versatile touring motorcycle that strikes a perfect balance between comfort, performance, and practicality. Designed with long-distance riders in mind, it combines Honda's signature reliability with modern technology and a sleek, aerodynamic design. Powered by a robust 1084cc parallel twin engine, borrowed from the CRF1100L Africa Twin, the NT1100A delivers impressive power and torque while maintaining smoothness and efficiency. With 100 horsepower on tap, it offers plenty of punch for highway cruising and spirited riding through twisty backroads. The bike features a user-friendly 6-speed manual transmission, with an optional dual-clutch transmission (DCT) for those who prefer an automatic-like experience. The throttle-by-wire system ensures precise control, complemented by 3 riding modes: urban, rain, and tour, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to different conditions. Honda has also equipped the NT1100A with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and better control during aggressive riding. Comfort takes center stage with the NT1100A, featuring an adjustable windscreen, ergonomic seating, and a well-padded seat that makes long rides enjoyable. The suspension setup includes a 43mm Showa fork up front and a rear Pro Link system, both offering excellent damping and adjustability for various road surfaces. The bike comes with integrated panniers as standard, providing ample storage for extended trips. Additional features include a spacious top box and optional heated grips, ensuring riders stay comfortable regardless of the weather. In terms of technology, the NT1100A is packed with advanced features, including a full-color 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows seamless connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. The bike is also equipped with a full suite of rider aids, such as ABS, traction control, and cruise control, enhancing safety and convenience during long-distance travel. The design of the NT1100A is both functional and modern, with sharp lines and an aggressive stance. Its aerodynamic bodywork not only looks striking but also helps reduce wind resistance and rider fatigue. The LED lighting system, including DRLs, ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. Honda offers the NT1100A in several color options, including a stunning metallic black and a vibrant pearl white, appealing to a wide range of riders. For those looking for a capable, comfortable, and technologically advanced touring motorcycle, the 2025 Honda NT1100A is a compelling choice. Whether commuting, exploring winding roads, or embarking on cross-country adventures, this bike delivers a well-rounded experience that caters to riders of all skill levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.